Turning off text tone haptic vibrations on the iPhone 15 reduces distractions and conserves battery life by eliminating vibration feedback for incoming text messages. If you're wondering how it's done, here's a step-by-step guide. First, return to the home screen by swiping up from the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on Settings. In the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on Sounds and Haptics. Then, find and tap on Text Tone. At the top, tap on Haptics. Here, you can choose from various vibration patterns or select Synchronize to enable haptics. To turn off haptic vibration for text tones, simply select None. This will completely disable vibration for text tones only, while vibrations for other apps will remain active. And that's it. Now you know how to turn haptic vibration on or off for text tones on the iPhone 15 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials.